Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Now, have you ever wondered why your shower is distributing water unevenly, or you have water shooting from different holes? Some are not working at all. That is because there is salty water, or you're using salty water, or your water has a lot of residue. And in these cases, you might find that the holes of the shower head are blocked. So when the shower head is blocked, there's water coming out unevenly. There's even water coming out from the sides of the shower head, and this can be avoided by doing one simple thing. If your shower is the normal kind of shower head, I'm going to use this as an example. For this case, you don't have to call a technician to do it for you. You can even do it for yourself, but if you're scared of spoiling the shower head, you can call an electrician or a technician or somebody who's qualified to handle the showers. Now for this instance, you say these holes are blocked and water is shooting unevenly. It's not coming down properly. You can just open the lid . I put this back, so like that we have the lid. Now this is a clean shower head, but for places where there's salty water or for places where there's a lot of residue, this part will have discolored, or you will see there are residues that have blocked the shower head. You take a pin. In this case, I will use something that resembles a pin. So you want to put it inside the hole and drive it up to the end, and then when you're done, you take a brush, a normal brush, and brush the surface of the shower head and the inside of the shower head, and then you will test this with water. See if there are any holes that are still blocked. If there are, you repeat the process with a pin. Just press into the holes until it comes outside, and then when you're done, wash the surface of the shower head and the inside. For showers that are tricky to open this lid, you might want to call a technician, electrician, or somebody qualified to do the cleaning for you. But here's a disclaimer: you should not stay with a shower when it's blocked, because that means your shower will spoil very fast. It might even leak from the ends, and once it starts leaking from this side, then your shower is gone. You'll need to buy a new one. So when you notice your shower head is blocked, there's residue on the shower head, have it looked at as soon as you can. Thank you for watching.